My name is Rick and welcome to section 4.4, building a mean application from scratch. So in this video we're going to be covering the CRUD from the goals page. So what is the CRUD? It's create, read, update, and delete. And I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what the goals page looks like right now, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each of these actions. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the system here. I'm going to go into New Year's page, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new year. And it's going to ask me what year is it. So I'm going to say 2015. And I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it like Epic Year. And I'm going to go ahead and then now give it an overview. It's pretty much just like a quick tip or kind of summary of what you want this year to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. Then I'm going to go ahead and enter a video URL. So right now this isn't working with any video URL or a YouTube video or any that type of thing. Right now it's just working with the files that are actually on the server. So I'm going to go ahead and actually enter one of the files that I already know exists there, and it's called intro.mp4. Then I'm going to go ahead and create page. So this went ahead and created this page. So this actually did a couple things. It did the write to the database, it did the read to the database, and it went ahead and pretty much did almost create, read, and essentially we're just missing the update and delete. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now what this did now. So if you go back to the home page and you scroll down, as you can see right here it says Epic Year. No one's ever achieved financial fitness with a January resolution that are abandoned in February, by February. So as you can see, this data is being pulled back from the database. So if you go back into goals and you go into New Year's page and you click edit, and we're going to say Epic Year, double bang, enter, and that goes ahead and saves it. So if you go back to the home page, you can see right here, Epic Year, bang bang. So you can see those are actually being updated to the application. Now you can go ahead and click on this little video link, and this will actually take you to that video file that I was talking to you about. And as you can see, the video is loading here. Let me go ahead and turn the audio off, and the video is playing now. But as also, if you go back to the home page, you can actually click play, and once again, the video will start playing here. Like I said, this isn't the actual video that's going to be on the site, but this is just a dummy video that you can that I can go ahead and test certain things with. So now, if you go back into the goals page, you can actually go back into the New Year's. We're going to go ahead and create a new year, and we're going to say 2014, and we're going to call it foo and bar, and I'm going to say intro.mp4. And this will pretty much create another year, and this year would essentially be in the 2014. So if you go back to the home page, you hit refresh, you see right here we can see past years 2014 and 2015. And essentially what my idea here behind this is for me to be able to go back in time and look at 2014, 2013, or in the future 2016, 2017, and kind of look back at the previous years, my previous goals, and kind of what I did and how I achieved it, if I did good, if I didn't do good, because this is pretty much the whole idea behind this application, which is the SMART principle, right? Being specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and having a timeline to actually complete these goals. So I'm going to go back into goals, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the last part of this, which is actually deleting. We went ahead and updated, we did, now we read, we created, now we need to go ahead and delete. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this foo bar one, so I'm going to go ahead and click delete. And that went ahead and deleted it from the database. To double check, you can actually hit refresh, and as you can see, it's actually gone. And as you can see, in past years, we're still at 2015. So that's it for the goals page. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video where I'm actually going to be covering how to create goals and sub goals under those goals. So until then, we'll see ya.